Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef, and in today's video we're going to be making a quick and easy homemade pizza using leftover chicken and peppers. So go ahead right now, check the fridge to see what you have available. Now let's jump straight into the recipe. First, we're going to be making the dough. In a bowl, combine the warm water, add the yeast, then mix in the flour, baking powder, salt and oil. Combine the dough until it comes together, then set this aside for 30 minutes. So once the dough has risen, knead it for 5 minutes. Now divide the dough into 2 pieces and let that sit for another 30 minutes. You're going to let this relax until it starts to rise again. Now roll out the dough into your desired pizza shape. Maybe you like triangle, maybe you like square, but in this video we're using circles. So we're going to roll it out until it's round. Spread on some homemade pizza sauce, followed by sauteed peppers and the leftover fried chicken. And then we're going to be topping it off with some mozzarella cheese. And be generous with the cheese if you're a cheese lover. So now let's bake the pizza at a high temperature until the pizza starts to melt, the cheese become bubbly, maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, once that is done, we take it from the oven, slice it up, serve it to your friends. Make sure you keep an exercise for yourself. And if you found this recipe to be easy, consider sharing this video with others so they can enjoy it as well. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef.